how I'm starting the day. Liter of water, YouTube, took the plants out, some sunshine, and enjoying the sunshine myself. Hello, winter sun. So for this oats recipe, you're going to need some oats. I use instant oats because they're really creamy and nice. Raw sugar or your choice of sweetener, date syrup, maple syrup, there's rice malt syrup, just don't do bee's vomit, which is honey. We've also got a lemon, you can use the juice or the rind, cinnamon, vanilla essence, and an apple. And water, of course, to cook it all together. So let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is get an apple, it's the organic pink lady, just slice it up, thin slices, because we're just going to steam that up first. You can cut the skin off or leave it on, whatever you want to do. Put it on the stove, let it simmer, let it steam with the water. Then we've got some instant oats. I'll just go off and guesstimate. That should do it. And again, I'm going to add the cinnamon. Ooh. And add some vanilla. It smells really good. It smells like vanilla cake. So good. Right, give that a stir and just let it simmer so it doesn't like burn at the bottom of the pot. You don't want it to burn. Ooh. Alright. Now I'm just going to add in some lemon juice. Oh, fuck the pip. Watch out for the pips because you'll have crunchy porridge. And then once it's done, it takes about like 5 minutes max. You just turn it off and cover it. Once they do start to get soft, just close it and turn it off. You just sweeten to your desire. I add generously. And you do the same to your apples. Sweeten them with whatever you want. Don't be shy. When you get the desired thickness you want, you're done basically. It's so easy, and like oats can be so cheap, especially home brand. So if you're like on a budget, there's so many different flavors and recipes you can make with oats. It's actually insane. I'd call this one a vanilla, lemon, cheesecake, cinnamon scroll. And then you just apply your apples. And that is the finished product. So fucking good. Please try it. If this was baked, oh my god. If you can, please bake this in the oven for like... This is really good, Mum. Can you come try some? Yeah, like I was saying, if you have the time and patience to bake this in the oven for a little bit, fuck, that'll be so good. It'll legit taste like a cake.